shaft of light flooding into my eyes. I will never see things just the same, but I'm not afraid. And all I have doesn't seem so significant, and at the drop of a hat I could leave almost everything that I've ever known. So here we go. Step out into the wild. There's a beautiful storm in your eyes. We're perfectly intertwined. It's quite alright. You could be my way of life. Sea salt sits on your lips. Birds fall earthward from cliffs. Thought I couldn't do this, but I'm fine, 'cause you're by my side. And all I have, it doesn't seem so significant, and at the drop of a hat my whole world's getting different. So here we go, off the road. Step out into the wild. There's a beautiful storm in your eyes. We're perfectly intertwined. It's quite alright. Maybe it's time to step out into the wild. There's a beautiful storm in your eyes. We're perfectly intertwined. It's quite alright. You can be my way of life. And we take another step into the truly unknown. Don't know why, but it's somewhere that we have to go, and it's dangerously wonderful. So come on, come on, come on, come on. Step out into the wild.